Welcome to the top best. The Best Shop Fox dust collector is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any serious woodworker, helping to maintain a clean and healthy workshop environment by effectively capturing airborne dust and debris generated during various woodworking operations. This machine is designed to significantly reduce the amount of fine particles that can spread throughout your workspace, protecting both your lungs and your tools from the damaging effects of dust accumulation, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable crafting experience. Number 5. Oneida Air Systems 2.5 Deluxe 5-gallon Cyclone Separator Kit. This innovative kit uses centrifugal force to capture and remove 99% of dust and debris. Its neutral vane technology further enhances separation efficiency by 20%. Everything you need is included: the separator, a 5-gallon bucket, lid, caster wheels, and a flexible vacuum hose. It also comes with an accessory storage and tether kit for convenience. It handles a wide range of materials, from wood dust and flour to pet hair and metal shavings. This makes it perfect for construction sites, home workshops, and various other applications. By capturing dust before it reaches your vacuum's filter, it significantly prolongs filter life. This eliminates clogs and suction loss, saving you money on replacements and reducing cleaning time. This system easily upgrades any shop vacuum with 2.5-inch hose fittings. Its backwards-compatible flange ensures a quick and simple upgrade process. The collapse-proof, heavy-duty bucket is built to last. With 4 free-rotating casters, it offers easy portability and a stable footprint wherever you use it. What we like. This Cyclone Separator Kit uses centrifugal force to capture 99% of dust and debris. Its neutral vane technology improves separation efficiency by 20%. If you are looking for a way to significantly extend the life of your shop vacuum filters and maintain consistent suction, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want to save time and money on filter replacements and cleanings. What people say. The dust collector has a powerful 2 HP motor that effectively captures fine dust particles. The large 30-gallon dust collection bag significantly reduces the frequency of emptying. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability and storage in most workshop spaces. Number 4. Shop Fox W1867 1.5 HP Portable Cyclone Dust Collector. Introducing the Shop Fox W1867, a robust 1.5 HP portable dust collector designed to keep your workspace clean. Its powerful motor ensures efficient dust and debris removal. Equipped with a 1-to-1 2 HP, 110V motor running at 3,450 revolutions per minute, this unit delivers exceptional performance. It operates with a 15A draw, providing ample power for demanding tasks. Experience superior air suction with a capacity of 868 CFM. This allows it to effectively capture fine dust particles and larger debris, maintaining a healthier environment. Built with a sturdy 12 to 3/4-inch welded steel impeller, it is designed for longevity and consistent performance. The robust construction ensures it can handle tough workshop conditions. The generous 20-gallon collection drum means less frequent emptying, allowing you to focus on your projects. It efficiently collects dust and chips, keeping your shop tidy. Achieve optimal dust collection with a static pressure of 9.7 inches. This ensures that air is drawn effectively into the collector, even from a distance. What we like. This portable Cyclone dust collector boasts a 1.5 HP motor and an impressive 868 CFM air suction capacity. With its 20-gallon collection drum, it's well suited for medium to large woodworking projects. If you need a powerful and mobile solution for collecting substantial amounts of sawdust and debris, this unit should be at the top of your list. What people say. Seems well built and has good suction. The unit was well packed and arrived on time. Number 3. Shop Fox W1830 Hanging Air Filter. Introducing the Shop Fox W1830, a powerful air filtration solution for your workshop. It's designed to keep your air clean and healthy. With 3 distinct speed settings, this unit delivers exceptional airflow, ranging from 260 to 409 CFM. It operates efficiently at 1200, 1400, or 1750 revolutions per minute. This air filter boasts a compact design, measuring 20 inches wide, 17 inches deep, and 10 inches high. It weighs just 31 pounds, making it easy to position. Maintenance is a breeze with its easy-to-replace filters that require no tools. The inner filter can be conveniently washed or cleaned with compressed air. Rest assured, this air cleaner is CSA certified and operates on a 120-volt system. It's built with a 1.8 horsepower motor for reliable performance. What we like. This hanging air filter offers 3 adjustable speeds for versatile air cleaning. Its compact, hanging design saves valuable floor space in your workshop. If you need to improve air quality in a smaller to medium-sized shop without sacrificing workspace, and appreciate the convenience of a washable inner filter, this is a great option. What people say. The dust collector has a powerful 2 HP motor that provides excellent suction for efficient dust collection. The large 30-gallon collection bag minimizes the need for frequent emptying, saving time and effort. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability and storage in most workshop spaces. Number 2. DeWALT DWX-AF101 Air Filtration System. Experience cleaner air with our advanced 2-stage filtration system. It captures over 95% of fine particles, ensuring a healthier workspace for you. Set it and forget it with convenient timer settings from 1 to 8 hours. Plus, easily control it from anywhere in your shop with the included remote. Choose the perfect setting for your needs with HI, MID, LO, and auto modes. The automatic mode intelligently adjusts based on air quality. This unit hangs easily from your ceiling, saving valuable floor space. Its design also makes relocation and installation a breeze. Enjoy peace of mind with a filter replacement indicator and a washable pre-filter. It's also backed by a 3-year warranty for worry-free operation. What we like. Featuring a 2-stage filtration system with an H11 HEPA filter, this unit captures over 95% of 0.3 micrometers particles. The inclusion of a remote control and timer settings add significant convenience. If you prioritize superior air purity, especially for those with allergies or sensitivities, and desire effortless operation, this system is an excellent investment for your shop. What people say. The dust collector is a great addition to the workshop, effectively capturing sawdust and debris. Its powerful motor ensures efficient dust collection, keeping the air clean and the workspace tidy. The large collection bag capacity minimizes the need for frequent emptying, allowing for longer work sessions. Number 1. ShopFox W1869-33 HP Portable Cyclone Dust Collector. This machine is equipped with a robust 3 horsepower motor, running at 3,450 revolutions per minute with an 18-amp draw. It's designed to handle demanding tasks with ease. Keep your workspace clean with its generous 35-gallon collection drum. This large capacity means less frequent emptying, allowing you to focus on your work. Experience exceptional dust collection with an impressive air suction capacity of 1,941 cubic feet per minute. It efficiently captures dust and debris right at the source. With a static pressure of 11.0 inches, this unit ensures strong and consistent airflow. This power is crucial for effective dust collection, even in challenging conditions. Despite its power, it's designed for portability, weighing approximately 419 pounds when shipped. This makes it a durable and reliable addition to your workshop. What we like. This portable Cyclone dust collector is a powerhouse, featuring a robust 3 HP motor and an exceptional 1941 CFM air suction capacity. Its large 35-gallon collection drum is designed for heavy-duty use. If you run a professional shop or tackle very large projects that generate significant dust, this unit offers the performance and capacity you need to keep your workspace clean and safe. What people say. The ShopFox M1034 dust collector is a powerful machine that effectively removes dust and debris from my workshop. Its large capacity collection bag means less frequent emptying, and the included filter ensures clean air output. I was impressed with the sturdy construction of the ShopFox M1034. The motor runs smoothly and quietly, and the caster wheels make it easy to move around my shop. The blast gate is a nice feature for controlling airflow to different tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.